So you want to create a Trello board for your game. Well, the first step is to make an account and to add a workspace. I already have an account, so I shall log in. After logging in, we can create a workspace over here. So I've already created my workspace, but to add a new one, just go over to this little tick and press add. Add your workspace. Choose your type of workspace and add a description. This is optional. You can invite your team from the next page. And there we go. Once we've created our workspace, we can enter this section called boards. Now here is where all of our boards are stored. Boards store a set of card piles or lists and will store all your management needs inside. I've created a few boards, but I'll explain what each one will hold. So the pre-production will hold any documentation, management, concepts and ideas you may need. Your production will hold your to-do lists on any of the main portion of creating your game. Your technical is any mechanics or special tools that can be solved by your programmers. Your post-production is for any sort of final tweaks to the game, the release of the game, marketing, and anything else after you've completed it. Let's hop into pre-production and take a dive into what makes a good Trello board. Simplicity is imperative. There's no point in making a board that is huge for no one to end up understanding it. Also, ensure that the leads that work in the specific areas in the game have full control over the board, as it's extremely important that they don't have to come to you every time they want something moving in there. Firstly, I like to have an urgency rating. This allows me to quickly judge what needs to be done fast and what I can spend more time on. For instance, the game idea document we made in the last video is urgent, so needs to now be added to completed since we finished it to the best of our ability. We can just slide this across, like so. This is how I like to set up my boards, but it is down to you to create the best board for yourself and your team. I have my list of sections set up in the top to allow me to create my cards quickly. So to create a list, press Add List, and then you can name it how you like. In each list, there is a set of cards which you can add. To do so, let's create a card here. So press Add a Card, name it, and then let's talk about labels. Labels are the green, orange and red things that you see here. There is a list of colours, but to add them, press right click, edit labels, and then we can change any of here. Let's do that for our game idea document. Red for urgent. Labels allow you to organise your workflow efficiently. Trello can also assign you to cards. So, right click, press change members, and you can add yourself. This is super important for big teams as it allows for more organisation, ensuring there isn't duplicates further down the line. Trello also comes with a whole host of other options, such as the butler, but you'll have to do some exploring to understand what exactly would be perfect for your game development.